You can schedule refreshes by adding a trigger. You can add a weekly trigger, monthly trigger, daily trigger. It's your call, and it's very flexible. Hello, I'm Gu, and I'm the founder of Adzviser. Today, I want to talk about how you can use the Adzviser Google Sheets add-on to pull your marketing data directly to Google Sheets. We will go through authentication and some steps that it takes to get your data and a live demo. So let's go to our Google Sheets. Let's launch our Adzviser Google Sheets add-on. Okay, so let's first of all log into Adzviser, authorize with Adzviser. Okay, click to authorize. Complete your authentication with Google Sheets. Okay, authorization complete. Please close this window. Please know that if you encounter any issue with this authentication process, 90% of the time you can fix those by logging in through a Incognito window, as we did with our ChatGPT integration. So you can fix it. Okay, so now you can see the workspace demo has already been read into our Google Sheets add-on. And now we're going to select our accounts. We can select, hey, we can query from Google Ads or we can query from Facebook Ads. Okay, so we're going to get a data range. Let's do last week. And automatically it's showing as April 1st to April 7th, from Monday to Sunday. And we can actually add more data ranges here as well. Same dates a year ago. As you can see, April 1st and April 7th from last year. All right, so let's, for the time being, let's just do simply last week. And let's pick our metrics. Let's do cost, impression clicks, CTR, and let's keep it that way. For breakdowns, let's do campaigns. And let's also do account name, campaign ID. All right, so let's get data to our table. Now we have successfully gotten data from Google Ads using Adzviser add-on. What I also want to talk about in addition is this one hidden worksheet called adzviserQuery, where the previously sent query is saved. So as we can see, this role, basically this worksheet, saves all the important details of the input that you just sent to Adzviser from this query, okay, from this very query that we just built last week, the type of metrics that we need, the type of breakdowns that we need, and et cetera, et cetera. Say right now we are on April 12th, on a Friday. By the time when we enter next week, April 15th, last week will become, of course, the 8th to 14th instead of the 1st and 7th. So by that time, when we enter next week, you can refresh the data by either manually clicking on this one button, and it will refresh the data for you. It will fetch the last week of data, or you can schedule refreshes by adding a trigger. You can add a weekly trigger, monthly trigger, daily trigger. It's your call, and it's very flexible. Understanding this concept is very important because we're going to build more advanced dashboards on top of this feature, where we save our previously sent queries in a worksheet called adzviserQuery. This is all I want to cover for this episode. I hope you find this episode helpful. We'll be back very soon. I hope to see you again. Thank you.